those doors are tinted.
What time do we got? 5:15?
Guys, have a great day. You too.
Take care.
All right. Gloves?
Ooh boy.
Nice. It's a cool jacket.
I know.
It's a nice looking jacket.
Got tested.
What do you mean?
Back 2/3 of the way out before she looked at the choice paper.
License, Dad forgets how to drive.
Keep going.
Welcome back to Chasing Tommy. I have Tommy Excellent over here.
Somewhere in this lease, I saw the other guy, and I saw the guy honk at the guy who wasn't in the turn lane. You saw that? This is going to be my final form, Steven.
So, excuse me,
yes.
Mr. Excellent, how do you like your car?
It's amazing.
How do you like your bike?
Yes, it's very good.
This is very good. What
Yeah.
are your first impressions of being...
Going faster feels safer than going slower for some reason.
And
Going slow is awful.
your thoughts on turning?
Turning is much easier at high speeds or anything else. I got a little bit better anyways. The whole drive back, I was ramping up pretty quick.
There's a bonus question from the crowd-funded questions that we gathered. Does your motorcycle go in reverse?
No, it does not.
Okay.
Always forward. There's no back.
You heard it here first, folks, on Chasing Tommy. This is Mr. Excellent.
Woo. Later, guys.
He's a warm boy. Larry, any thoughts before the camera dies? Thank you for tuning in to Chasing Tommy. Roll credits. Do 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 do.
Like that a little bit? Was that?
Ooh. Tommy is officially the first and only licensed Texera.
No,
that's
licensed.
might need to edit that part out because it just name dropped. Name dropped.
Dad's getting all frustrated. You're just giving him excuses to run the bikes.
I gotta jump on there and show you how to do it.
I'm just trolling you hardcore. That's all I'm
Don't
doing.
troll me. I don't want to get on you.
You're gonna wake up tomorrow. The bike's gonna be in the trunk of the Prius.
Gosh, you're soaked.
I told you. I'm better now.
Wow.
He's gonna have it strapped on the hood of the car.
It'll fit in the trunk.
There, welcome back to Chasing Excellent with Mr. Thomas Matz. This is him. We're on our way over to get some dinner. A lot of Halloween decorations. Larry made a few friends today at the motorcycle place. He's trying to make more. Stay tuned for more nose shots from me. How is it?
Good.
Good? That was pretty delicious. I got the burger.
What do you think, Larry? What do you think? What do you think? Pretty good? All right.
We missed it.